Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Hope you are doing good today. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button. Considering subscribing to the channel, just consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I also advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to skip any of the step. They are so like all the steps are so important, so I will advise you to just watch. And the video is really short. I made it so short so that you will understand. So I decided to film this tutorial for you guys just because of the fact that recently I've been uploading bridal hairstyling, and I've been doing that with frontals. So I just kind of consider those of us that do not have money to buy frontals, and hair extension, you necessarily or you do not need to break the bank for you to look good on your big day. On your big day, it could be your birthday, it could be like your wedding, like, you know, fill in the blank. For this, I'm just going to go ahead to use attachment to achieve the look. First, we just go in by sectioning the hair into like two different portions. We'll start from behind the hair, that's the back. So I'm not going to be doing or packing the hair into, I'm not going to be packing it like back. I'm going to put it where I know that will be very fit for the hair padding. Then I'll go ahead to apply gel and then brush, smoothing it, and use a thread to secure it. We'll be doing this in sections like so, applying gel, using my comb to smoothing, and then also securing it with a thread. We'll be doing this in sections gradually until I'm done actually packing everything and securing everything into a pony. All products you used here on this channel or used for this hairstyle, we have them they are all available on our website, which is www.exquisitesignature.com. You guys, patronize your girl, come and shop hair products. We also have bundles. We have hair, luxury hairs, and they are all affordable. We have them in bundles, we have them in wigs, we have them in frontals, closures, and we also have all hair products. So for the bundles or the wigs or the hair, we have straight hairs, we have coily hairs, we have bounce hair, we have wavy hairs, like all hairs type you want to buy. So you can just go ahead to click on the description box to follow the link. We have the link in the description box. Click the description box to shop from our website, guys. I will deliver all over the world using DHL to do so. After that, go ahead to dry the hair using my hand dryer to do so. Then moving on, I'm just going to go ahead to use hair padding, and then I'm going to hair padding at the tip of her hair, just down the tip of her hair, and then we'll attach the hair padding and use bobby pins to secure it like so. So yeah, using the extra attachment or the extension to just cover the hair padding like so, just so that it will cover that roughness or the rough part of the hair padding. And at this point, I'm going to allow you guys to watch because the video is self-explanatory. I'm so sure you'll be able to learn the whole process. But if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below, and do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't, join the family. Like, a lot is going on here on this channel, so join the family so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload like a recent hairstyle, training hairstyle. And if you also have any questions on, or you have a tutorial you want me to film, or you want a tutorial, you know, you can just let me know in the comment section as well.
If you get Jawa, come on, pass it down. I go just para, come on, my jigga. I go just day, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condo life, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you cool? I'm happy that. What do you cool? Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, I listen. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but your baby. You do it slow now, tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down, you should turn it off. 'Cause tonight is going down, tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now, don't stop. Ooh. Keep your hands on me, just be right there, rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I can't deny it. I'm on you. You can't lie. I won't lie. It's amazing. My faces go places. You're taking me. Baby, take your time now. There's no need to rush. You can go another round if that's what you want. 'Cause tonight is going down. Yeah, you know what's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I can't deny it. I'm on you. The things I wanna do to you.
Alright, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and you're able to learn something from this video. Like I said before, do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and you turn it back to me. I'm